Hello everyone and welcome again to the channel. Today we are gonna be working on the Yamaha right here. I got the carbs ready to go ahead and actually go into the boat, and I brought the kits to go ahead and actually rebuild the other set of carbs that are there. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot, whether I'd rather do it at home than do it here, but let's see. I'm gonna put the bimini top up so I can get a little bit of shade. I know with the cover I will get some shade, and then I'm gonna go ahead and actually start installing this one. We're gonna go ahead and try to turn on the boat, see how it sounds with those carbs on, and then I'm gonna remove the other set of carbs and try to rebuild them here without having to leave to get out of here to go home to do it. I forgot my card for the gate, so basically I had to like go behind a car, and to be honest I don't want to get stuck here, so it's also a timing thing. If I see that it's getting too late in the day, I'm probably just gonna go ahead, call it a day, take the carbs, take them home and rebuild them at home, you know, with air conditioning, which is a lot better than be sweating here, because I'm sweating bullets on here. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and start working on this guy. I have all my tools, I have to put everything there, and once I open the hatch and take everything ready, get everything ready, I'll come back to you guys. A lot of airplanes here. There is an airport right close by, so there's gonna be a lot of airplanes coming through, so hopefully it's not gonna be too annoying. But let's get going. See you guys in a bit. All right, so I have a little problem that I need to solve before I keep going. Here there is 3 hoses, one there, one here, and one that is missing that I haven't put on yet. But I need to know exactly, let me see if I can take it out. Well, I need to know on this side I have 2 ports. Let's see if I can focus. Yes, so I have one here and one here. My instinct tells me that the one on the outside, meaning this one here, this one right here, is gonna go to the one on the outside here, and that the carb in the middle is gonna go to where it is right now, that is here. But since I'm not 100% sure of that, because the pictures that I took when I took this out the first time are at home and not here, I'm gonna go ahead and I have to do one thing. I'm gonna have to go ahead and actually remove the carb that is that I'm gonna have to rebuild anyways, to see where the hoses go. And I also missing the hoses that go from carb to carb, the return and the fuel sending. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually dismount this, prepare all the hoses. That hose is fine. This hose is too long. No matter which hose it goes, it's too long, so I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter. I'm gonna create the hose for, where is it, for this guy here. I'm gonna create a little hose going that can go either here or here depending on where it goes. It's just gonna be a small hose anyways. And then I'm gonna go ahead and prepare all the other hoses to put here, and after I do that, then I'll reinstall it again. All right, so this is when you know that you actually did something good. Here we go. Yes, it's super high on RPMs because I just opened the crap out of the minimum. So I'm gonna close it and then we're gonna turn it on again. Let me tell you, it does sound different. It has a lot more power. Look at this. And lots of smoke. I like smoke. Smoke is good. I like it. I like it. I think it was definitely. I mean, if I can, the other one is probably not gonna turn on. But let's try it. Totally different sound. A lot of smoke, but it sounds different. This one has a more lean sound to it. Yeah, I like the sound of that one better. So everything is good. Everything is done correctly on the first one. We're gonna have to tune it, but that I have to take it to the water, and until I get a towing vehicle, which I don't have one now because the towing vehicle blew a head gasket. So, and it's a 15-year-old car. It's not worth. It's really not worth fixing the head gasket. It's gonna cost more than what the car costs. So I'm gonna see if I can sell that one to somebody so somebody can go ahead and do the job if they want it. If not, I'll just junk it. And then I'm gonna go ahead buy a new car. It's not gonna be as strong as the other one because it's not in the budget, but we're gonna get a new towing vehicle. And like I said at the very first video. This is not for this summer season. There is a lot of things going on with life right now, so I'm not looking to have this done for this summer season. I'm looking to have this boat ready for the next summer season. That gives me, you know, plenty of time to work on it slowly, you know, and do it little by little and make sure that I'm doing it right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the other carbs that have the cheap Chinese kit on it, take it home because I'm not doing it here. The heat is killing me. As you guys can see, I'm sweating bullets. So I'm gonna take it home, do it at a house with air conditioning, and then bring it back. I don't know if tomorrow or probably next weekend. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll figure it out. A lot of things to do on the boat, so you know, we're gonna go little by little. I'm not in a hurry, like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding what I did, how, you know, everything goes together, any questions regarding this boat, shoot me an email, send me a comment, put a comment down on the comment section, and I'll be glad to go ahead and answer any questions. So until next time, see you guys. Me from Taj Mahal here in Miami. See you later. Bye.